Hello guys, if your Gree air conditioner is not working properly, like not cooling, showing errors, or not responding a reset, can often fix the issue quickly. Air conditioners can develop temporary glitches due to power fluctuations, internal system errors, or incorrect settings, which may affect performance. In many cases, the unit is not actually faulty, it just needs a proper reset to clear those issues and restart fresh. The important thing is to follow the correct method so the system resets safely without causing any further problems. Once done correctly, your AC should return to normal operation. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to reset your Gree air conditioner easily. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Wait for a few minutes to allow the system to reset. Step 3. Plug the unit back into the power outlet. Step 4. Turn on the AC using the remote or control panel. Step 5. Reset settings if required using the remote. Step 6. Check if the AC is working normally again.